Out of singing, dancing, acting, she prefers to sing.
Bakit?
And she just does.
Ikaw na din.
Actually, performing.
Yeah, mali. Considered ba yun? Pag mali yung fact.
What did you perform?
Huh?
Sing.
You sing and you dance. Know what I do before? With my girl group po before. Kasi dati we sing and dance. So, mas gusto ko yung gano'n.
If you could pick singing or dancing?
Okay, fine. Singing.
Ay, tama ka rin talaga, si Jane. Okay, counted na yun. Ikaw naman, Nadine. Next. Fifth na.
Eto, feeling ko matatalo ko, hindi ako sure. Pero, sabi niya dati, ewan ko kung ngayon ganun pa rin. He likes wearing yung, what do you call it? Yung grays, whites, na clothes, black.
Color? I don't like color.
Yeah. Basta hindi ka, ayaw mo ng colors, ayaw mo dati. You always wear white, black, gray. That's what you like wearing.
Is that still valid?
Whoa! Hoy, in an interview you said that.
That was a long time ago, right?
Kaya ngayon kasabi ko, hindi ko alam kung nagbago na o kung ganun pa rin.
So, hindi mo alam.
Alam ko, I just don't know kung iba na. Hoy!
I play safe with my clothing. I don't usually wear colors. Maybe, yes, just say colors like earthy colors, like brown or black or white.
Okay yun sa'yo. Not much, pero loud colors.
This one's fine.
Okay na, accepted yun.
Accepted.
Oh, now 6 na. Ayan, konting